first empty file e.json. So they grab. Next, let's try no file doesn't exist. So something.json doesn't exist. He has to grab again. Nice. Let's try the cities. So that's it. They start and they have the time. Now let's try one file with one thing. So one element, perfect. Let's try the states. Okay, that's it. So thank you. This is my program. He works with all the files. He has the asserts to empty, asserts to not found. So that's everything.